Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you on iPhone or any Android phone. If you're using any iPhone or any Android phone and you're facing the issue that TikTok or Facebook Marketplace is not available for you, so let's see some possible fixes. The very first thing is that you just have to go back and relaunch your Facebook app here, and you have to check that you are not under 18 on your Facebook account. Now to check that, you just have to tap on this menu option, then tap on settings and privacy here, tap on settings here, and then select account center, then select personal details, and here tap on the birthday, and you have to make sure that your birthday has been set it up to 18 years. Or if you don't have any 18 years birthday here, you just have to tap on edit option and edit your date of birth. And after that, you just have to go back and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so you have to go back from here and then select the browser option under the preferences section. Tap on that and then select this clear option to clear cache files of your Facebook. Once you have cleared cache, you just have to go back and then relaunch your Facebook app and then go to Marketplace and you have to check if your issue is fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, then go back from here and you have to go for App Store, search for Facebook, and you have to make sure that your Facebook app is up to date. There is no any pending update like that. If you find, try to update your app, and after updating, go back and you have to relaunch your Facebook app and check your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, go back from here, and this time you have to refresh your network because sometimes it might be that there will be any issue with the network setting. It can be easily fixed by refreshing your network. Now to do that, you have to scroll down your control center and you have to make sure that you have a stable and a strong network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. And after that, go back, open your settings app, go for general, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you're connected, try to disconnect with that. Then tap on this transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode and then select reset network settings when the confirmation message pop up. It should reset all of your network settings. It will not delete any kind of your data, so you can still try this and after that your issue must be fixed. If it's still not fixed, you just have to go back and contact with the Facebook support team. Not to do that, you have to open the Facebook app, tap on this menu option in the bottom right corner, select help and support, now select report a problem, and select continue to report. Then select include, and here you have to look for marketplace, and here you have to talk about the issue. You can also take a screenshot or you can also upload it from your phone if you have any screenshot, or you can also record your screen. After that, you have to write a simple description which describe your issue, that which one you have, if your marketplace isn't available for you or is not available on your Facebook. And after that, your issue must be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.